In this brief demo, I want to show you how you can configure port rules in your NLB cluster. So once you've configured a cluster and you've added servers into there, we can define, well, which ports are going to be load balanced through this technology, and then what are the various different settings as they relate to that load balancing. So let's go ahead and bring up here the NLB manager again. And we can see in here the port rules. So I've got a cluster, and by default, we have a port rule of all, which is a start and end. It's basically all the ports. Now, if we want, we can remove that, and instead we'll go ahead and click Add, and we can specify a port range. Let's say I want to go from 80 to 80. So I'm very specific about port 80 in this example. What protocol is it? I might specify that it's TCP or UDP or both. And then for filtering, we'll leave it as multiple host, and we can set our affinity to none, single, or network. And then I can click OK. Now if there's any other port rules that I want to specify, I can click Add and start to build them into here, defining our affinity and so on. So any additional ports, and I can do port ranges. Maybe I'd add 443 in there. But this is how we can begin to define the port rules for our clusters. And so that's just a quick look at the definition of port rules in Windows Server 2012 NLB.